Have you ever stopped to listen to that little voice in your head? The one that narrates your life, judges your choices and either cheers you on or beats you down. That's your self-talk, and it's way more powerful than you might think. So today I'm going to share with you how to harness its incredible power to transform your life, starting right now. Hi everyone, I'm Gary Madison, and I've spent over 25 years as a therapist witnessing firsthand how the words we use shape our reality. Every thought we have is like planting a seed in our minds. Negative thoughts plant weeds, but positive ones, they bloom into beautiful gardens of success and happiness. And the coolest part is, you have the power to choose which seeds you plant. Think about it. Every thought you have is like planting a seed in the rich, fertile soil of your subconscious mind. Now, if you're constantly telling yourself negative things, you're essentially planting weeds that will grow and take over. On the flip side, positive self-talk can plant flowers that bloom into success and happiness. So why should you care about your self-talk? Because the things you tell yourself are usually the things that you end up experiencing. Your self-talk can either be a powerful tool for growth or a sneaky saboteur, holding you back from you achieving your goals. So over the next week, I want you to start paying close attention to the things that you tell yourself, whether it's internal dialogue or things you say out loud. At the end of the week, review what you've observed. This exercise will help you see if your self-talk aligns with your desires or it's out of sync. But imagine if you could harness the power of your inner voice to work for you instead of against you. By becoming aware of your self-talk, you can start to plant seeds of positivity and watch them grow into a life filled with more joy and success. So stick with me as we dive deeper into this topic. Together we'll uncover the hidden influence of your inner chatter and learn how to transform it into a powerful ally on your journey to a better life. So let's dive deeper into this metaphor of self-talk and seeds that are planted into the fertile soil of your mind. Now, just like a garden, your mind doesn't care what seeds you plant. If you sow seeds of negativity and self-doubt, that's what will grow. Conversely, if you plant seeds of positivity and self-belief, you'll cultivate a mindset that supports your growth and success. The power lies in your hands, or more accurately, in your words. So how can you tell the difference then between good and bad seeds? Well, it all comes down to the words you use and the emotions they evoke. Negative self-talk often involves words like can't, won't, never, and shouldn't. Whereas positive self-talk uses words like can, will, always, and should. For example, if you're facing a challenging task at work, negative self-talk might sound something like this. I can't do this. It's too hard. I'm going to fail. On the other hand, positive self-talk might say, this is a challenge, but I can handle it. I've faced tougher tasks before and succeeded. To get a clearer picture of your current self-talk, I'd like to invite you to spend the next week tracking your internal dialogue. This isn't about judging or changing anything just yet, it's simply about raising your awareness. So here's what I suggest. Carry a small notebook or use an app on your phone to jot down any self-talk statements that come up throughout the day. Don't censor yourself. Write down exactly what comes up in your mind. At the end of the week, review what you've written. Look for patterns. Are there more negative statements than positive ones? What themes or topics come up frequently? Does your self-talk align with your desires and goals, or is it out of tune, out of sync? During this review, you might discover that a lot of your self-talk is negative. And this is quite common, so don't beat yourself up. Instead, see it as an opportunity for growth and change. So let's consider some real-life examples of the power of positive affirmations. Statements that you can say to yourself to encourage positive self-talk and manifest your goals. One example is Thomas Edison, who reportedly made 1,000 attempts at inventing the light bulb. When asked how it felt to have failed 1,000 times, Edison replied by saying, I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. This perspective is a brilliant example of positive self-talk in action. Another example is professional athletes who use affirmations and visualization techniques to improve their performance. Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all times, used visualization as a key part of his training routine. He would visualize himself winning every night before going to bed and every morning upon waking up. These examples show that our thoughts and words have power. They can shape our reality and influence our success. By cultivating positive self-talk, we can plant the seeds for a healthier, happier life. Now imagine if you could transform your life simply by changing the way you talk to yourself. Positive self-talk is like magic. When you constantly tell yourself uplifting and encouraging things, you're essentially programming your mind for success. These positive seeds can build confidence, improve your mood, increase your overall sense of well-being. For example, telling yourself, I'm capable or I'm happy, can create a powerful shift in your mindset. On the other hand, negative self-talk is a sneaky saboteur. It feeds into your fears and insecurities, making it harder for you to achieve your goals. Statements like, I'm not good enough, or I'll never succeed, can create mental barriers that hold you back from reaching your full potential. It's like planting weeds in your garden. They'll grow and choke out the positive plants unless you actively work towards removing them. Now, a powerful technique you can use to transform your self-talk is visualization. Imagining yourself as the person you want to be, achieving your goals, your desires. Picture every detail, the sights, the sounds and emotions associated with success. This mental imagery helps to reinforce positive self-talk and makes it easier for you to believe in yourself. So let's look at some real-life stories of individuals who changed their life through self-talk. Take Sarah, for example. She used to struggle with low self-esteem and constant self-doubt. But by incorporating daily affirmations and positive visualization into her routine, she gradually built up her confidence. Today, she's thriving in her career and personal life. Another inspiring story is that of John, who faced significant challenges in his professional life. He constantly told himself he wasn't smart enough or capable enough to succeed. But after learning about the power of self-talk, he started replacing those negative thoughts with positive affirmations like, I'm intelligent and I can achieve my goals. Over time, John noticed a dramatic improvement in his performance at work. His overall outlook in life improved. These stories highlight the transformative power of empowered self-talk. By shifting from negative to positive self-talk, you can change the trajectory of your life. So how do you get started? Well, it begins by identifying negative thought patterns and replacing them with positive affirmations. Practice visualization techniques to reinforce these positive messages. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Small change can lead to significant improvement over time. Empowered self-talk isn't just about feeling good. It's about creating a mindset that supports your growth and success. By taking control of your inner voice, you can cultivate a life filled with more joy, confidence, and fulfillment. So now that you understand the incredible power of your self-talk, it's time to act. It's time to transform your inner voice right now. So first, create a self-talk journal. This will be your personal space to track and transform your internal dialogue. Begin by writing down any negative thoughts or statements that come to mind throughout the day. Don't judge yourself, just observe and record them. Then challenge these negative thoughts by replacing them with positive affirmations. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, counter it with, I'm capable and deserving of success. It's also important to remember that taking charge of your inner voice is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. So be patient with yourself. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small it may seem. So go and grab that journal. Start tracking your thoughts. Also, immerse yourself in our supportive community. Together we can harness the power of positive self-talk and create a life filled with joy, confidence and success. Take charge of your inner voice right now. Your future self will thank you.